senior, Mikey Williams Jr.
Hello, my name is Mikey Williams Jr. and I'm a senior at Highland Park High School. Here at Highland Park, I'm involved in basketball, I'm in Stuco, Link Crew, BSU, Spirit Club. I'm also a sports med student at TCALC.
Mikey is one of those all-around students. He's a perfect example of a Scot. Top-notch grades. He does all kinds of sports, along with just a great person.
He has such a great character. He's a very funny kid. He's very much a leader. So the kids, they see him and they come up and they give him a high five. I don't think I've ever seen that kid in a bad mood. I don't think I've ever seen him not smile.
He's everywhere. You know, he's a big-time student, got college credits, 4.0 cum GPA. And the cool thing about Mikey, he also made time for people in his life. So his family, friends, and to be able to do all that stuff going on is always hard.
Being around my dad, that was my first love. He did it all his life, so allowing it to keep me going in life, using it as an outlet to do great things.
The first thing you're going to think is he's very loud and outgoing, and he's this shining star that wants to be seen, but he actually is kind of under the radar. I think he has that balance down for academics and athletics. His parents wouldn't let him have it any other way.
So with basketball scholarships that I've gotten, I plan on playing basketball for school and college, and I plan on studying to become a physical therapist. And with the TCALC, I got an internship with Sormontville Health, so interning at the clinic has helped me get my hours in.
I just want for him to shoot for the stars and do everything that he has set out, every goal that he has wanted to accomplish. He has a great family that he comes from, so I know that he has got a great fan base and a great team that will make sure that he does all the things.
Mikey has done a great job of knowing who he wants to be, knowing who he is. He's stuck true to that.
My advice for Mikey after high school is to continue being involved. He is that student. How do they say it? He's that guy. That's Mikey.
Never give up and keep pushing. No matter what people say, no matter what the circumstances, whatever you want, whatever goal you want to attain, you can do it with hard work. Don't give up on yourself. Don't back down and keep pushing.